another beautiful day, lovely weather. I hope you're outside enjoying it. Today we're going to look at making bunnies, and we're going to be singing a couple of songs, and we'll do one short rhyme as well. I've been very busy making my own bunnies, and I'm going to show you. Here they are. Isn't that cute? And you can make one too, very, very simply. First of all, I painted some cardboard because I didn't have any white or pink card. I had to make my own. So I got a cereal box. I used the inside of the cereal box and I painted part of it white and part of it pink. I got toilet roll tubes and I painted them white. And then from the card, I was able to cut out shapes for ears using the white. And using the pink then, I cut out the little bit that goes inside the ear, and 2 feet for the rabbit, and a triangle shaped nose. Once I had all the parts cut out, I then started sticking them all together, putting in the ears using sellotape, ears and the feet, and then I used Pritt glue for the nose, 2 wobbly eyes, and last of all I added the whiskers and the mouth using a black marker pen. You can do that too, and I would love to see your results. So please send me your photographs. You might have an even better idea that I haven't thought of. So please feel free to show me your ideas for making bunny rabbits. Okay, first song I'm going to do is called 10 Little Bunnies, and you'll see that today my big guitar is sitting behind me. I've got my little one today called a ukulele, and I'm going to use it just for a change. Okay, so 10 little bunnies. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little bunnies, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little bunnies, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little bunnies, 10 little bunnies, hopping up and down. Do it again. This time we're going to say jumping up and down. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little bunnies, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little bunnies, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little bunnies, 10 little bunnies, jumping up and down. And you can change the last line of that song. Maybe you could change it to 10 little bunnies twirling all around, or 10 little bunnies standing on 1 foot, and you can do the actions while you're singing it. The next is a little rhyme, and it's called 5 Little Bunnies. 1 little bunny saw some grass to chew. He met a friend there, and that made 2. 2 little bunnies hopped to a tree. Along came another, and that made 3. 3 little bunnies wanted 1 more, found 1 soon, and that made 4. 4 little bunnies found a beehive, spied another bunny, and that made 5. Well done. And the last song today that we're going to do is Little Peter Rabbit. We had our story yesterday all about Little Peter Rabbit, and he was a bit naughty yesterday, wasn't he? But we're going to sing a nice song about him, okay? Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose, and he flicked it and he flopped it, and the fly flew away. Powder puffs and curly whiskers, powder puffs and curly whiskers, powder puffs and curly whiskers. you could sing that using different words where the fly landed. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his knee. Or maybe he had a fly upon his toe. You can make that up and sing your own song. Okay, boys and girls, very soon you're going to be seeing a few more photographs that have been sent to me. Thank you for them, and again I say, keep them coming. It's lovely to see what you're up to at home. I will be back again next Tuesday. Have a lovely Easter weekend. Stay safe, stay at home, and have some fun with your family. Take care. Bye.